Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this episode, I want to talk about lottery winners. Not just lottery winners, but also settlement, if you get a big settlement or some other great windfall. We just had someone here in the U.S. win a big lottery, and I was talking with some others today, and this lady came out too fast to notify everybody and say she was the big winner. I don't want to say her name. I don't want to, cast any aspersions on her. I'm not making any judgment. It just seemed way too fast, and here's why. You need to plan what's going to happen if you come into a lot of money and it is just you or just a few people, and especially if it's with the lottery. There are certain rules that you need to learn about. Will the lottery pay to more than one person if you buy the ticket as a group? If it won't, you need to form an entity, or you need to form some other arrangement that they will legally recognize so that you can protect yourself, protect everybody, and get the money. If you're doing it on your own, are you married? There are consequences for spouses. Investigate those. If you are unmarried and you're single, how are you fixed for tax payments? Those taxes are going to be taken out right away. They're going to take backup withholding out of 25%. Then you have to pay the difference, which is about 15%, at the next quarterly payment. Well, the quarter is coming up. We're approaching a quarter. So if you want it today, when would your taxes be due? You need to know this. You need to find out how it will be paid to you, if it's going to be through an annuity, a regular payment over time. That's good for some people who are not very good about managing their money. It also is an automatic protection against people asking you for money because you just don't have it all at one time. The other benefit to having it with a lump sum is one thing people don't often think about is taking a big chunk of it and investing it in, and you need somebody knowledgeable to help you where to invest it, something reputable, not a get-rich-quick scheme, but something that's going to turn over and give you a regular dividend or return in an amount that you can live on. That way you've protected that part of the money. The other thing you might want to think about is a trust. If you have children, family members, spouses, you might be better served by putting all or part of it in a trust. And for some of these reasons, you should probably not automatically come out and say it's you. In some states, you can be anonymous, but you might not want it to be you. You might want to assign that over and have it be an entity, a trust, claim the money, and it may make a big difference based upon where you live, because not only do you have federal taxes, but in some states you have state income taxes as well. And that brings me to the last thing that I'm just going to mention on here, which is gifts. People are going to come out of the woodwork and want money. People you haven't heard from in years, people you've never heard of that you don't know, people asking for operations for their sick grandmother, their cat, all kinds of things. Are you psychologically prepared to deal with this? Did you change your phone number? Did you protect yourself and your identity so that these people aren't going to be coming at you from every which way? And do you know what the gift tax limits are? If you buy something for someone, if you buy something for someone, have you figured out what the limits are so that you don't create a new tax situation? So there's lots of things to think about. It's not a situation that you can plan for because it comes upon you suddenly. It's a very happy situation, and we wish all the winners the best of luck. But take a couple of minutes, breathe, find some professionals that you can trust that can help you. And they're going to have to be paid too, and you're not going to get your money right away. So you need to make sure that your assets that you already have can cover some of these expenses, and that you are prepared to look out for yourself and find people who can help you do that. And then enjoy a wonderful new life. If this was information that was helpful to you, or you learned something new, give me a thumbs up. Share this with someone who, hopefully you've all got somebody who's going to win it big. I think that would be great. Subscribe to see our other videos and come back and see me next time. Thanks for watching.